Hi, I'm Annie with ByAnnie.com and Patterns by Annie. I am excited to tell you about our pattern Pack It In 2.0, which includes instructions for zippered cases in 3 sizes. These handy cases will help you get organized, minimize stress, and streamline packing and unpacking. They are perfect for anyone who travels or has stuff to store. Using Pack It In 2.0 as you pack, you can group items together by type of clothing or by use. You won't have to dig through the whole suitcase to find everything you need for your afternoon on the beach. The pattern includes instructions for cases in 3 sizes, which fit perfectly in standard suitcases. By packing in bite-sized chunks, the process goes quickly, and filling the suitcase takes just minutes. To make it easy to sort out each person's belongings when you get to your destination, color code a set of cases for each member of the family. No more opening a suitcase to have things spill out in a mess. Unpacking is easy, and whether you're a roller or a folder, Pack It In 2.0 cases will help keep your clothing wrinkle-free. When not in use, the cases may be nested inside each other for storage. Pack It In 2.0 cases are constructed of quilted fabric, so they hold their shape. The zippered lid features a mesh window that gives breathability, expansion, and easy identification of contents. The soft mesh fabric won't damage delicate fabrics. The lid opens wide for full access to everything inside and zips closed easily to keep things safe and secure. For easy carrying, there is a sturdy strap on the back of each case. But Pack It In 2.0 cases aren't just for travel. Use them at home to hold toys, games, and projects in process. Their unisex design makes them perfect for children, women, and men. You are sure to find lots of fun ways to use these handy cases. The Pack It In 2.0 pattern includes step-by-step instructions to make professionally finished cases, and is an update of the original Pack It In pattern, which was first released in 2016. The new 2.0 version doesn't change the design of the cases, but we've improved the illustrations and layout to make it easier to read and follow, and filmed an add-on video to help you with the more unique or challenging aspects of the pattern. You will love this new version. Ask for Pack It In 2.0 at your local quilt shop or find it at ByAnnie.com. If you have more questions, be sure to watch the A Closer Look video, which gives more info about gathering supplies and customizing the project. Whether you travel or just have things to store, you are sure to love these handy cases. We can't wait to see what you make, so be sure to share pictures of your finished projects with us. Find us on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and YouTube by using @PatternsByAnnie. Be sure, too, to enter our monthly photo contest. Thanks so much for watching. Happy stitching!